What's up, guys? Brand new day, and we're gonna work on the 86 again and try to figure out the issues. Well, Jeffrey kind of did. One is I'm an idiot. The kit came with bolts long enough for the brackets, and then what we did here was just smash in a little bit of the low control arm. So now we're gonna go and slap on the whole unit and see if it works. Jeffrey just replaced the inner bearings for the wheel hub, and so that should fix a lot of the issues too. And so let's go ahead and put it on and we'll see how it goes. So now put it on. Fits a lot better now, huh? Huh? Yeah, right. They probably couldn't even hear that because the mic's facing me. $22, bro. Hey, it wasn't me. How hard do you have to tighten that? A lot, right? That looks good. I'll do that. Yeah, see, now it's not hitting anymore. It's cleared up a lot. You see, no more rubbing issues. So we're gonna see if the caliper fits nicely. We're not sure if it hooks up to the line okay.
So what did you guys do?
He smashed in the lower control arm.
And that was it?
Yeah. But I felt it go in though when I did it.
Look how much space I have now.
Yeah, it might just be user error, bruh. Huh?
Oh, bitch.
No, but it was like very tight though. That's super clean now. Put on the calipers. Oh,
Are you recording?
yeah. It's like one only.
12:45.
Yeah. Told you. So now we're gonna put in the actual bolt, and it's fitting just fine, right? Legit. Looks good now.
It's good?
Yep. Fits perfectly. Told you we needed that back plate blown.
Oh, yeah. No, but it's good though, right?
No, yeah, it's perfect.
Shit, it didn't need to even be bent at all, huh?
No, it looks. I think it's better you do that, dude.
Oh, okay.
Just look at it now.
Alright, we'll see you guys in San Diego.
All right.
Clearance it, dude. Clearance the caliper, not that.
So we put on the wheel,
Granted, just the end of it.
and damn, it doesn't really clear, huh?
But all you have to do is sand this piece down. Like
Bro,
the edge like that.
But then the paint's gonna come off.
I have to repaint it. Unless
Or
you run
get
just a
different
spacer.
wheels.
I'm trying on my SSRs.
Yeah, it doesn't clear these corner rewinds. So we're gonna have to try a different set of wheels. Yeah. So the rotors or the calipers were scraping the wheels. The clearance isn't really good, only by like a little. So we're gonna have to try different wheels and see if they fit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to the storage unit and go get some of the different wheels to see if it fits the calipers because it's not clearing. And so I'll show you guys when I get. All right, so here we are at the storage unit, and I'm going to pick up some of the wheels, and I'll also show you guys my my project car that I haven't shown yet. Here it is, my Toyota Corolla AE86. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it, but doesn't have any of its wheels or parts on, and it looks like crap in here. It's all dusty, but hoping to do something cool with this car in the future. But for right now, it's just chilling in the storage unit. Have some parts in here. And here are some tires that we have, and I'm gonna get some of the wheels. We have about we have an issue, guys. Got a lot of wheels, but gonna grab them, take them back to the house, and let's go see if they clear the calipers. So here we have it, some SSR reverse mesh. We have two different sizes. This one's deeper than this side. I don't really know the offsets though. And then we have some Dory reps, and we'll see if those fit. I don't think those will fit, but doesn't hurt to try. So let's go, and I'll show you guys when we get back home. Okay, first wheel to try out, the fake Dory. See if it fits. Not even close, guys. Man, that's not gonna work. Here we have the SSR mesh, the deep one. Nope, not going to fit either, so that means the other one's not going to. So we have some spacers, and let's try that out and see if that works. So don't really like running spacers, but might be the only option for now before he could get those SSRs rebuilt and to the right offset. So let's go ahead and try these out. They're like 1-inch spacers, and that might be enough for the clearance. Actually, I don't think these are for the Corolla. These might be for 240. So we're actually gonna use these right here, guys. They're like 1.5 inch, pretty big, but I think the SSRs are pretty low offset, so might be okay. Let's go ahead and try it on. There you go. Man, that's crazy. Here's the other SSR. Let's try it on. Oh yeah, it clears for sure now. It does have quite a bit of poke, but it's kind of how Jeff likes his car. So you might have to run this instead. Let's put this wheel on. Cool, so that'll probably be our solution for the wheel fix, for the caliper clearance. See no more issues. Okay, so this will actually conclude the install of the FC calipers for the 886, because we're actually going to take these off and do something else with it, with this car. So let me actually compare the calipers for you guys though, so you guys can see what's the size difference. And let me get them. And here's the size difference for the calipers. You can see it's significantly bigger. It is way bigger than the other one. And it looks a lot nicer too, so even though you don't really need the stopping power, it's more of a, it looks cool. And so Looks really nice. And that's probably it, guys. I'm not going to be changing any of the stuff anymore because we're actually gonna have different plans for the 86, which is going to be very sad and exciting. So stay tuned for what's next. We are prepping the car for paint still. I'm going to paint it really nice, and we've done a few things so far. So we're actually going to leave this like this, and we're actually going to remove it, put the stock one back on. And we've painted the car's little things here and there to make it cleaner. So you guys can see it's all installed again. It's all cleaned up. We just painted the front section because it wasn't looking that great. And we're going to paint the rest of the car soon. So stay tuned for that. And so thanks for watching, guys. This will be the final install video for the FC calipers. It's not really much, but hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.